YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Prolific, man, and we're looking to pass some evals today. Right now, we executing on a 15-second chart. We in short at the crazy bullish run. I do see some areas of sell side down to the downside, but mental stop loss will be up here. Thinking about to stack one more contract on this thing. Damn it, waited too long. My entry was sloppy. I would see what happens when you wait. Delayed entry. Looking off to the side of other charts. Should be quick. Nice 20-point run. That's what we're looking for. Remember, this is the 15 seconds, so everything's over exaggerated. We're pushing heavy to the downside. A nice bearish order flow. Sorry, I sound a little stuffy over the mic. Good bearish order flow. And once again, this is a counter trend trade to a highly bullish day. It's been a straight grind up. God, my entry, man. I slacked on that entry up there. Let's see what we look like on the 1 minute. Monitoring the trade on multiple time frames. Just doing some markups on another chart. Adding some alerts. This 1 minute looks like an entry right here. Yeah, just sitting, waiting, watching, setting alerts. And normally go heavy mini contracts on Nasdaq on these evals, just because I just don't like to linger in them too long. No time frame order. Probably should get heavier coming in here shortly. Yeah, I called it. I said price should get heavy. Want to continue to see a push downside. Remember, this is a 15-second chart, so hey, you can't get lost in price. So 30-second looks like don't want to get lost in price. We don't want to get lost in price. Price was starting to get heavy, but slowed up a little bit. I wanted to see the break and close underneath both of these lows right here. Sorry for that noise in the background. That's the air diffuser going off. Price getting a little stagnant, a little sideways. And it's been grinding high today. It's been grinding. Once again, this is 750K evals being all trade copied together. We are playing within the H4 FVG. Hmm. Price isn't doing nothing. Just look at it. I'm just waiting on a nice little clean sweep. Jeez. Unless it wants to grind higher some more. Oh, which it looks like it does. You think it'd be tired, but I think it's just grinding away. Stop losses at the high. Oh, I'm sorry. In three contracts, we aggressive on the entry. In three contracts. Three contracts per account. Starting to get that push we was looking for. Want to see a continuation to the downside. Once again, we are on a 30-second time frame right now. 30-second chart. It's aligning with my 1 minute for bearish activities. Once again, this is a counter trend trade on a heavy bullish day, but it's been more of a grind up. High resistance liquidity runs. Jesus. Let's go. Give us that impulsive candle we looking for. Take us out this trade. Looking for a nice 15 to 20 point sweep to the downside. And give us what we need on the day. A lot of resistance down there. Let's see if she finally ready to punch through. Looking at my 15-minute on another monitor over here. She grinded. It's grinded down. It don't want to sell, as you can see. As soon as I said it don't want to sell, look at it. I'm still on 30-second chart right here. Just waiting still. We passed the 7 accounts. I don't recommend what I did. I did switch over to I had like $10 or $20 to make. I switched over to the micros. Um, Price action did get bearish, and then this is just one of my scalping strategies I use to pass evals only. It's very aggressive, and because you don't want to be stuck in evals too long, and that's just my opinion. So as you can see, these 7 evals are passed right here. So I like to just check because sometimes it is some latency within the evals. That's the third one. Fourth one, 3,000 was the profit target on them. And once again, I only had these evals. This was 1 day pass. So I'll go over some markups with you all. YouTube, what's going on again, man? Overall, good day trading, man. I did post some clippets. You all did see the clippets of me passing 7 eval trading accounts. So that is what it is. I normally do those accounts a lot more aggressive. The markets are currently still open. It's lunchtime. One of my trading rules is, especially when I'm on trading live accounts, I don't mess with lunch unless price is moving like extra heavy for the day. But right now we're just monitoring NQ and looking at the overall look. Bullish as hell today. Came out of the 9:30 open. Hey, I didn't want nothing. After I seen it hold buy side right here, it wicked into buy side, wicked down a little bit. Now on a bearish day, we would have started just collapsing down to the downside. But once we just start to grind up, and you see it more on it, like check out this 1 minute time frame. This is like a grind up. This was a pretty good leg. Boom. A lot of people got trapped right here. You thought it was gonna sell off. Boom. Pushed up some more. Especially on a 30-second time frame. 30-second time frame show good price action. Look at that. 30-second time frame. You would have thought this thing was about to break down. Broke them lows right there. Nice FEG. Broke the lows again. So I'm like, oh, I know this. Nah, that thing started pushing up again. And this is all a trap, man. And then look at us. Nice little pullback now. We did wick into buy side. I had them relative equal lows on the 5 minute, I believe. Yep. Relative equal lows right here, right there on the 5 minute. And we wicked them during lunch. Now, a characteristic of lunch, I always say this characteristic of lunch price action is it likes to run positions that we're currently taking. So there's people long right here. There's orders resting right here. We wicked them. Boom, we push into the top side. Now we did trade. Let me show you guys on a higher time frames chart. I'm done trading for the day, by the way. Now we did push through. Look at this, all this inefficient price action. This daily volume imbalance. Pretty sure that's good now. Cause that from here to there, that's a daily volume imbalance. And then this whole range right here. So from bam, I just went from body to body. But guess what? We're filling all that in, so that could be all irrelevant right now. I am going to remove it from my charts, and over the weekend, I'll remark it if necessary. So right now, where we currently trading into is this SIBI on the 4 hour time frame. We did wick C of it. It is a new day opening gap, which I don't even think that's relevant no more. So we're just gonna take that off the charts. And price, yeah, we kind of wicking down. It's Friday. No more news scheduled to release. We got a lot of news events next week. Next week, of course, with it being the first week of the month, we're going into the first week of February. We do have NFP. I believe we have some notable companies reporting earning reports next week. We'll always monitor for that. But look at this. My belief is that we would price a sizzle out. I'm over here looking at other charts too. Like it's moving crazy for let's look at this 30-second. Look at this price action doing lunch. Nice little move I caught earlier to almost pass those 7 evals, and I took another slight move around here to finish passing it. Look at this price action doing lunch. I wouldn't want no parts of it. I would not be surprised if we even trade lower today and we just wick out. All this is the daily volume and balance. Let's check out the heat map real quick. This is Nasdaq heat map. Pretty stable, pretty bullish day. This is why we got the grind up that we got. So yeah, I don't see us coming to reclaim these lows today. Like this is where all the 930 buyers are at. I don't see us unless we get some type of extreme news event or these companies just completely just go flat. Now, if like Nvidia goes down to like 3%, Nvidia has the market cap within the Nasdaq to wick us down. This some of these companies can damn near carry the Nasdaq by themselves. But as far as us going down here to reclaim these lows, it's not happening today at all. Got some inefficient price delivery I seen up in there. But for the most part, that's it, man. That'll recap this Friday's of trading session. I'm try to show you guys some more. Next week, I'm gonna show you guys some PA accounts and how we trade them. Today you got a taste of how I trade my eval accounts. Now with the evals, once again, I do say this with the eval accounts, I size up and I'm a little bit more aggressive. The patience and the discipline and all that stuff still is adherent and still at play. But I size up because hey, it's one day to pass, and I don't normally like to have those things for no more than three trading days. I try to get them over with in 1 to 3 trading days, and then we on to the live accounts. I do got some live accounts that I'm not trading. We'll kick it off the first of the month with those accounts. I do got some more I got some bigger evals that I've just been nitpicking at. I do got a couple 250Ks. They're in the green, but those now the 250Ks I take my time with. 50Ks, and we can get that over with a price target of making 3K in one day for the profit target. We can do that, especially trading Nasdaq minis. So until next time, trade smart, trade with a plan, trade like a business. Is prolific, and I'm out.